coalitions under it. These are the groups under it. Oh, this guy. Hey, come on.
Excuse me. What the man?
Yeah.
But I'm not a teacher. I don't impact students. I don't have an impact on any of that. Nice. Just about hit him. Far enough.
Yeah, they're turning too soon. Even I can see that. They wait.
Accounts to do. So they'd make 30 accounts. Dude, what the f*** are you doing? That's a stop sign you just blew through. Why are you still going? They have a green light. Idiots.
Wow.
Come on, guys. What did you... Lemmings.
The bubble tea's going to your head.
And you are dumb. Just dumb. Fucking move. Dude, you've got a lane. There's a turn lane here. What the f*** is your deal?
Sure.
Okay. That's a red light, dude.
There's a large collapse in the tunnel leading backward the way that we came. This would have taken ages to plan and build.
What are you doing?
This place looks wrecked.
kidding
Halcyon
me?
said as he and Caius finished their conjuring,
Oh,
before
man.
vanishing out into the tunnel around us. This tunnel almost looks exactly like what we saw in the room. Sign me right up. Fit me in exactly where you planning on resting yourself, Marion? Freya asked me pointedly.
No left. To cut it off with a razor blade. You see that sign right there that says no U-turns?